First of all, I'm going to talk about the pineal gland. The pineal gland is an endocrine gland or a neuroendocrine gland that regulates the circadian rhythm. It is located at the posterior third of the third ventricle near the center of the brain. It's a structure with form of pineapple. Its longitude is about 5 millimeters and 8 millimeters of tall. We have a 3 millimeters and 5 diameter. It weighs it's between 100 milligrams and 200 milligrams. It's a photosensitive kidney. We have it is like an important chronometer regulator. It has two important cells. It calls pinealocytes and interstitial cells, like we can see in the pictures. Also, there we have the pinealins, the sand, and some fibroblastos. There we have the same thing to explore the sand and the same thing. We know that the sand, the cerebral sand, it has a name by cerebral cervicals. It has precipitation of phosphates and carbones with calcium, protein transportation proteins. Their first functional structure is the exocytist. We have a low concentration of this at the young age, and in the old age we have more of it. Well, the pineal gland is a photosensitive organ. We have here the retinic hypothalamic tract. It goes through the nucleum, and then we have a connection between the pineal gland, and there we can produce the melatonin. It is called circadian rhythms. It's about like a regular cycle of 24 hours that have connection with the sleep and visual things. Now we can call battle cancer. It's called pinealum. It's a tumor on the brain. It's a slow tumor about the pineal cells. It has more frequency at the two first decades of the age. Here we can see some images. There is a it's called a bilateral pupil. We have paresthesia and strong headache on the symptomatology. There we can see some pictures of the tumor. This disease, this cancer, we can have a treatment of some neuro images. Oh yeah, it calls that way. There we can see it. That's a neuro image. Also, we can treat it with surgery, but just in the small age of it. Now we have the kidney glands. The kidney glands are two organs that are located at the front of the top of the kidneys. We have an important cells in the structure. We call it chromaffin cells and ganglion cells. There are secretion of catecholamines and axonic invaginations. The axons of the ganglion cells, they are extend between all the periphery of the activity of the secretion activity, and they innerve all the sanguine bases. The chromaffin cells are characterized from their numerous vesicles on the secretion with the diameters between 100 nanometers and 200 nanometers. Uh, Also, we have the subdivision of it. We have the glomerular zone, the fasciculation zone, and the reticular zone. We have special characteristics for every one of it. The glomerular zone is the space and between some ovoid groups and curved columns. It has a strong Golgi systems, big mitochondrial ribosomes, and some rare on it lipidic inclusions, and the first secretion of it is aldosterone. The fasciculated The fasciculated is just they're big and polyedric. They have some CS cells. We have a very strong rail mitochondria, big Golgi apparate, and some red on it. We have the irrigation. The irrigation is pretty strong we have because we have a top, medium, and low irrigation called from the celiac trunk and also uh, of the top the top abdominal aorta on it too. We have an capsule irrigation and also the get back straight. We have some balance that come from the sinus medullus and cortical zones. Um, we have some. Well, we have the supernal bin left and the supernal bin right. The